Next, chapter 2, it is polynomial. So, polynomial polynomials. What it is actually? See? 2x 3y plus 4. This is a polynomial. One of the polynomial. So what is here? This is real number and this is variable. Real number, variable, real number. So it is the combination of variable in different degrees. Variable in different degrees. Somewhere I can put this also. In different degrees and real number by using plus or minus sign. Suppose this is minus, plus or minus sign in between them. This is the polynomial in simple language. The combination of variable, the combination of variable in different degree and real number by using plus sign or minus sign in between. This is the polynomial. Next I will come to the degree of the polynomial. What it is? Degree of the polynomial. Okay? Degree of the polynomial. What it is? The highest power of the polynomial. The highest power of the highest power of the polynomial. Highest power of the polynomial. Here see, suppose there is a polynomial I told you already. Then what is the degree of this? 2. So highest degree of the polynomial is 2. Suppose this is 4 and this is 3. Highest power of the polynomial is how much? That is 4. Degree of the polynomial is 4. Linear polynomial. What it is? Linear polynomial means a polynomial with whose degree is 1. That means whose degree is 1. Polynomial with degree 1 is linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, what it is? Quadratic polynomial, the polynomial with a degree 2, having degree 2, that is what? Quadratic. And cubic with degree 3. Okay? Then one more, constant polynomial. What is that constant polynomial? Constant polynomial means real number. A polynomial of degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Okay? Constant polynomial means degree is 0. Next, biquadratic polynomial. What it is? Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic quadratic polynomial. What it is? With degree 4. So with degree 1, what it is? With degree 1, linear polynomial. Degree 1. Okay, quadratic polynomial. What it is? Degree 2. Cubic. This is what? Degree 3. Constant polynomial. What it is? Degree 0. So with respect to degree, we have named this. Again, with respect to the terms, number of terms, further one division is there. See, only one term, 2x square, suppose this is monomial, only one term. If I will add here 3, then it becomes binomial. If I will add x on it and 4, how many terms it is? Trinomial. What is the degree of this? This is degree is 2. Okay. Next, I want to come to relationship between 0 and coefficient. Okay, relationship between zeros and coefficient. Just I want to take one example to proceed. What is zeros? 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. I have taken this equation. I wanted to solve it to discuss. So what I have taken this. Now I am going to factorize it. After factorizing, I want to find out the value of x. Let us see. Factorization, 2 2s are 4. Product is 4. Now 4 into 1. This is possible. 2 into 2. This is not possible. This is possible. 4 minus 1, 3. So this is coming here. 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you will simplify these two, you must get the middle. If you multiply these two, then you have to multiply these two and find the product must be equal. Okay, this implies what is common here? 2x, x plus 2 minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore either x plus 2 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to how much? Minus 2, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to how much? Half. So these two are zeros of this polynomial, of this equation. Okay, these two are the root of this. Now if I will remove this is equal to 0, it becomes a polynomial. Then the zeros of the polynomial is minus 1, minus 2 and half. Okay, these two are the root of the equation, this one, and these two are the zeros of the polynomial, this polynomial. That means 0 and the what is called 0 and roots means these are same thing. It is named different in different time. Suppose I will come to okay. Now see these two are the zeros of the polynomial. Now if I will add these two, polynomial, sum of the roots is equal to these two addition means how much it comes. What is the LCM and how much it is coming? Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. Product of roots is equal to minus 2 into half is equal to how much? Minus 1. So these are the two roots, and these are the two zeros. Here now relation between these two. This one minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 means what I am getting? Minus 3 by 2. This is, suppose I am taking it, making it a standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form, and it is also in the standard form. Say minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 or 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means b by a. This one I am writing minus b by a. Next product of the root is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 means c by a. See, c by a is equal to c by a. So this is how the sum and the coefficient, that is how this zeros of the zeros and the coefficients are related. See, they are the coefficient. Next, I am taking on polynomial, same one, 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So the zeros of this polynomial are So zeros of this polynomial are how much? Minus 3 by 2 and minus 1. These two are the zeros of these two polynomials. And we have seen that the sum of the polynomial is minus b by a. That means b by a. That means this is the number. So this is the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. I have done a sum of the root. I got this much. I have compared my equation with the standard one. Minus 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 it is. So b by a minus, and product of the root c by a minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. This is c by a. So this is the relationship between the zeros and coefficient.